Left top corner, green stripe box. The corner kits in this video are used in addition to the standard flashing kits. We strongly recommend you watch this video in conjunction with our installation film for a 3x2 rectangular array. To fix the top left corner flashings, we're going to use the kit of parts from the green stripe box. The brackets and screws for securing the upper panel and side flashing tabs are in the TY flashing kit, which comes in the green labelled box. First, you'll need the gutter extension. Push this into the flashing gasket across the join between the two right-hand panels. Make sure it's fully inserted before carefully sliding it down until the top edge of the full gutter section is aligned with the top of the lower panels. You will find that lubrication is essential for this step. Use a wallpaper scraper to remove any debris in the gasket and glass cleaner to help lubricate the insertion. Now fix in place the top flashing of the lower panel. Next, install the lower side flashing. Set the bottom edge of the flashing to around 10mm above the J-strip fold. Now add the upper side flashing above it. Secure the edge of the side flashings using the side fixing tabs and nails from the green TY kit. Now fix in place the top flashing. The top flashing you need to use depends on whether the panel above the corner is the start of a row or on its own. Choose the correct flashing suitable for the array and set aside the other. We hope you found this video useful. Please see our other videos for other layouts, including our other corner kits. More information, including PDF installation manuals, can be found on our website.